Hey guys, so we are making more tomorrow. So this is the night. I'm just going to soak these beans and leave it overnight. In the morning it's gonna get like really soft and easy to wash. So yeah, this is what I've just done. My husband has been telling me to do this more for the longest time, but I just keep procrastinating and I'm finally ready to do it. So yeah, this is the morning now and I'm washing it. So let's dive right in. I'm so excited because it's been a long time I ate this. Yeah, it's just that, yeah, I know there are washed beans that I can use, but I choose to use this one because this is what I have at the minute. Because if I start thinking when I'm going to buy the washed beans, guys, I'm not gonna do this for myself. I'm just using what I have available. So let's dive right into making this my delicious moi moi like you've never seen before. I feel like, yeah, my own style is kind of different from others. Yeah, there is always something to learn from somebody, and yeah, even if it's not the way you do it, you might just like my style. You never know.